This tutorial will guide you through on how to get the AliExpress promo codes completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1 on AliExpress, assuming you have an item you would like to buy or purchase, go to the cart or the checkout tab on the top right hand screen, and once here you want to click checkout underneath summary. On your search engine or browser device, type in AliExpress promo codes. And underneath the website here that has different promo codes, you want to click one and click show coupon code. Copy the coupon code or the promo code, go back to the AliExpress website, and on the top right hand screen, click the drop down arrow underneath the promo codes, and then paste the code and click apply. And as you can see, this coupon code is for single use only. If we go to another website for an AliExpress coupon code, we want to go over and locate a code and click show code. Copy the code, go back to the AliExpress website, and then apply or paste the code completely for free.